Hi friends, it's Diana here today, and today I am working on my Babylon leather Birkin style bag. I am so excited about this. I already showed you my unboxing on a video before, but I wanted to come on here today and show you my finished result. I'm not finished yet. As you can tell, I have all my pieces here and I have already started working on them. And I'm gonna tell you how excited I am about this as it's coming along and the pieces are coming together. What I love about Babylon leather purse kits is that they come with everything that you need to create a beautiful purse. This is the one I'm working on right now and I am so excited about it. And I will show you the finished result at the end of this video. And what I really love as well is that it comes with a QR code that takes you straight to your video tutorial. So all I have to do is scan that QR code on my phone and it takes you right to the link. Once you're in that link, it shows you just exactly how to sew up your purse. It shows you exactly how much thread you need. It shows you everything, which is really nice because it walks you step by step. So you're not like, what is the thing that I need to do next? And it makes the whole process super easy. As you can tell, I've already stitched some of the front. I'm now working on putting the handles. So I've done one and here's where the other one's gonna go. I worked on the back and this is the bottom. I love the little touches. These are little gold studs and I'm just keeping the covers on them because I want them to look nice. So that's gonna be my bottom. And then I'm piecing together my purse, which will start to come together as I'm working on it. Look, kind of giving you a little sneak peek of what it's gonna look like. I've already finished the straps in the back. Here's my bottom. So I'm gonna piece these together. My side piece is here. So it's gonna be pretty big, which I love. I'm so excited. And here's my front. So it's gonna be super cute. And I also love that this is a pocket that goes inside of it. So we'll have an inside pocket and I have a bigger strap. I have some hardware as well that's gonna go on it. So we'll have the hardware for the front and it's got a little lock and everything that functions. So it's gonna look super cute. I also love the fact that it's got the piping. So I'll have the piping going around. I cannot wait. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of my process of how easy it is to sew it up, put it together, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end.
Honestly, I think my favorite part about this Babylon leather purse kit is the fact that I can just put it in a bag and take it with me anywhere I go. It's such a beautiful evening. I'm out by the pond with water going and it is so soothing and so nice. And I can just sit here, enjoy nature and hand stitch my bag. It's heaven. I love how precise the pinholes are. Being able to just easily go in the back and go around to the next stitch without having to even worry. Like, this looks so good. It's coming along. Finish.
Oh friends, I am so excited because I am almost done and I'm to some of my favorite parts of this sew really. Look at this, it's looking so good. This is actually, you know, obviously the wrong side. So the inside, this is the right side, this is the wrong side of the bag here, I'm showing you. I've just got my bottom to do and then we are gonna finish up this top edge and insert the little pocket, which is so stinking cute. And I still can't get over, oh, it smells so good of leather. So then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do the bottom, and I'm telling you, this is my favorite part because I love doing the piping and I love how easy it is to do the piping on this bag. I've sewn bags before and the piping is usually the part that I'm like so terrified about, but this makes it so easy because it's got those really nice little pinholes right here at the bottom. So it makes it really nicely to line everything up. So I'm gonna show you. First, let me show you what it looks like. This piping on the side, if you can see that piping right there, when I turn it around, you'll have this really nice piping showing on the purse all the way around and all the sides and the bottom. But I'm gonna show you how you achieve that look. So I'm working on the bottom and this is my bottom part. So I have these knobs still covered because I don't wanna mess them up. You know, it's one of those things where I might want to just leave them covered always, but no, I won't. So this is my bottom. So you got to find, for the bottom, for the sides, you just kind of go along, but for the bottom, you have to find the bigger dot, which is like the center dot. And it's really noticeable to find it because you can like definitely see a difference between the regular size dots and then the bigger dot. They do a good job at that. And once I have that and I have, I'm placing it right sides together, the right side of the bottom to the right side of the bag, because that's how it's gonna end up looking. And this is my, like my strip that does like the piping strip. So they send you that and it's got the dots on it. And then it's got this piping, it's not wire, it's plastic, but it's hard and it helps keep that shape, which is really nice. So literally all you do is and this, they'll tell you this in the instructions, you're gonna start with the third hole here. So we're gonna just go in on that big hole. I'm gonna go here on my piping. So you fold your piping wrong sides together and we do the third hole, we're gonna do it on that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and then put the little piping in a minute. And then I'm gonna go in that big hole right here. And then I'm gonna do the same on the next hole with my other needle. That way I can tighten them together at the same time. Okay, I might have cut my string a little bit longer than I need to, but I just wanted to make sure I have enough, and I have a lot left over still, so it's kind of nice. And then I'm gonna insert this piping here. I'm gonna leave out like a little bit here so that I know that I'm gonna have enough. And then what you can do is they send you pin, like a clip thing. So you can do the clip, the clip they send you, or if you have your own sewing clip, sometimes I do my own sewing clips. And then that way you can kind of even this out. So it just kind of stays here so that you don't have to hold it the whole time as you're going around the bag. And you could just like hold it on one side, that's fine, but see, like it just holds it there. So now I've got my piping here. Oh, I did it unevenly, which doesn't really matter, but the more even you do it, the better it'll hold. Okay, so then I've got that there, and then I'm gonna go in and start sewing it. So we're gonna go into the next pinhole, the one that we just created here. Make sure it's straight. That's the only thing, making sure that it's straight. And if I didn't clip it right, the first couple of entries might be a little bit more difficult. Once I get it all situated, it will be easier. So if it's difficult, you can just separate it like this and then just go back through. Pull through and then come back over on the next pinhole. And then we're gonna come back over on that same pinhole And like I said, the more pinholes you do, the easier it becomes, because then they start lining up really nicely. Then you don't even have to like do one side at a time. You can do both sides at the same time. So there's that. Now that it's kind of started here, and you know what? I'm gonna put a clip over on this side to keep it straight, right? So now that I've done it a little bit and it's sitting more straight, then I can go ahead and fix this clip over here. So that way it sits nice and even. And make like a little sandwich here. Okay, so then now, literally all I'm doing is just sewing through all the layers. So I start at the pinhole, go all the way through. Okay, and then come back with the other thread. See that? So super easy. And you go all the way around. I love doing this project when like I'm just like doing other things. I will probably put on one of my favorite movies. I'll probably put in like some Pride or Prejudice or something like that, and just like watch the movie while I'm working on this. And then and that's it. Like, it's just so like easy and it's fun. All right, I'm gonna go all the way around the whole thing while I watch my movie, and then I'm gonna come back and show you all the finished results. All right, I'm done, and it's time to flip it around. I guess we start by doing the corners first. Now I'm going to lace up the sides. Oh my word, this is so cute. Oh my word. Okay, I still have to finish up the pocket inside, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's so beautiful. And I still have to put the little key holder here, because this is the key. And then I have my lock to put on here. I love it. Okay, let's work on the pocket to finish it up. Y'all, I am finished with this beautiful, beautiful purse. I am so obsessed with it. I love everything about it. So now all I have to do is put in the last finishing touches, such as we put together this little piece, and it's where the little key is for the little lock. So it's got this little lock that it comes with. So stinking cute. And I'll remove the covering of it. It's my gold little key ring. No, my gold little lock. And it opens with the key. So cute. And so you can put the little lock on here on the bag, so you can lock your bag. How cute is that? And then the little strap, we'll just put it through, and you can hide that key in there. How cute is that? Actually, I think I'm gonna attach it on the other side. Or, yeah, I'm gonna attach it right here. I mean, you can put it wherever you want. And if you don't wanna lock it, you don't have to, but I think it's super cute. All right, another finishing touch is to open up this, the strap and attach it. So it's already put together, so it already comes all done, so I don't have to do anything with it. So there's my big strap, my small strap. And then I do like that they put little perks with it, such as like this little cute little attachment horse, so you can put that one on as well. If you wanted to have like an extra cute decoration. Or you have these beautiful scarves that you can strap around your handle. like a little bow. It's so cute. Or you could just wrap it all the way around, however you want to do it. So then, here's the fun part. We've got the little key. And inside we have this big purse with a big pocket here to put all the things that you want to put in there. And again, if you don't want to use the lock, I have no words today. If you don't want to use the lock, you can always just keep the lock in there and not use it. And then when you go to close it, you just flip this right over. Put it right over that locking system here, if you're gonna lock it. And then these straps right here, you tighten them up. You close this side and they go right over this little notch here. And you tighten this one up, the strap, and it goes right over. And my bag is ready to go. How cute is this bag? I'm obsessed with it. It is adorable. It is so luxurious. It is leather. It is handmade by yours truly. I love it. Oh, I forgot to take the little knobs off the bottom. Guess we can do that. Ooh, how cute is this? I'm obsessed. I love it. What do you think? Comment below and let me know what you think about this purse, and if you're interested in getting yourself a kit, I think you're gonna love them. If you want to see my unboxing, I also have another purse that I made. Let me show it to you. This is my second one that I've made. This was my first one I ever made. It was so cute. I wear it all the time. I take it with me wherever I go. This is the saddle bag, and I'll add all this information for this purses below. If you want to grab them, you do get a discount if you use my discount code, which I'll add here. So if you go on and grab your kit and sew it up. The thing that I really love about this is that it has that sewing tutorial which shows you step by step how to create the bag. So if you're like, what do I do next? So easy. I love that it's so easy to create, and then you end up with like the most beautiful handmade purse. I'm obsessed. I love it so much.